In today's video, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to talk about one of the best penny stocks to buy now, and that is LASE. I know a lot of people is going to say, man, this thing is $8. This isn't a penny stock, but you have to take in consideration this thing only has a market cap of 105 million with a very low share float of only 8.87 million. Which means it doesn't take a lot of buying to get this thing moving to the upside. Stick around, guys. We're going to talk about my price prediction here for LAS. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to consider subscribing and don't forget to smash that like button. And if you were a part of our Discord, then you too did catch this alert in real time. I first alerted LASE back on August 29th, okay, for the entry price of $4.60, with that price target being $5 plus, labeling this thing a swing trade. And if we take a brief look, guys, this thing has ran as high as $8.86 here today, and this thing has more room to run. Now, as you all know, this thing is severely overbought on the day. If we do take a brief look and check out our interpretations of indicators here really quickly, as you guys can see, early warning signal overall, 60-minute early warning signal here on the 1 minute, no obvious sign or symbol. So for those that is looking to get in LASE, you have to take in consideration you may be buying at the top here. If we take a brief look and just check out our profit ratio, 99.52%. So once this thing starts to retrace, it's going to retrace pretty darn quickly. As you guys can see, our mass number of holdings are profitable, exposing the potential risk of buying high. So remember, if you do decide to get an LASE at these prices, leave some room to average down and do not go all in at these prices. If you're new to the market, this is something that you really need to consider. Degree overlap is at 50.79%, which is giving me slight indication that this thing does have more room to run. I do feel as though that LASE is going to reach and breach those $10 levels. Yes, I said it, ladies and gentlemen, those $10 levels here this week, ultimately giving those that did catch the alert over in the Discord an opportunity to lock in over 100% in gain. And again, if you did catch that alert in the Discord, can you please comment in today's video your Discord name? Now, far as this retracement, ladies and gentlemen, this thing can and will touch that mid Bollinger, if not break through it on this retracement, especially with this huge profit ratio of 99.52%. If we take a brief look, we can see that we do have an average cost, a very low average cost of that $3.66. That is why that profit ratio is extremely high. Currently, we do see resistance here at that $8.68 here currently in LASE. If we do break that resistance, ladies and gentlemen, this thing will see those $9 levels here on the day. I do expect to see a late power hour run here in LASE. And if you're currently holding the stock, can you please comment? I repeat, can you please comment your average cost here, and also let me know your high and low price target here for LASE at the end of the week. So with no further ado, I'm going to let you guys go, and may the gains be with you.